All right, thanks for checking out Prep2Pass. Once you've downloaded the app from the Apple or Google Play Store, you're going to see the lightning bolt icon. Now, to download it, make sure you look for Prep, P-R-E-P, the number 2, Pass, P-A-S-S, Prep2Pass in either store. When it's downloaded, click on it to open it up. You'll see a little welcome screen and a little discount code here if you want to sign up for a pre-licensing class. Hit next. And then we've got Prep2Pass or Tools and Resources. Tools and Resources is future free tools and resources. So right now, Prep2Pass is the feature. We're going to go right to Prep2Pass. As you open it up, you can see it opens up to the flashcards, and you can see how many total, viewed, and hidden. Now, to start the flashcards, you're going to hit the green button. The first one comes up. When I want to swipe on the word flashcard at the top, it'll take me to the side B, right? So back and forth, left or right, that's how you turn over the cards. Once I've read it and I understand it, I can go on to the next one. I can toggle back and forth with the 2 green buttons at the bottom, previous and next. And then once I know that one, I can hide it from the deck. Okay, so that's flashcards. Everything in here, when you're in one area and you want to go to another, you're always going to use the back button to get there. So let me hit the back button. See back to flashcards, and then across the bottom, you'll see all the major functions, right? So we'll go to the next one. This is multiple choice questions. So once I'm in the multiple choice questions, I'm going to pick a category. Who doesn't love federal regulations, right? Not really, right? And now I see my answer feedback here, which I can scroll up and scroll down to look at. If I want to keep going through the questions, I can hit continue. Once I know that question, I can hide it as well. So you're getting to a shorter and shorter list of flashcards and questions as you prepare. So what do you need to hit in order to go back to the main menu? You hit back, right? And now we can go to videos. Now there are videos by section of the course. You can watch them as long as you have a 15 megabyte per second connection speed, and we'll show you how to check connection speed in just a minute. Again, we're going back into the next section. Now we're in the simulated test. So I'm going to go ahead and start the simulated test. I can see up here and to the right, I've got 3 hours and 9 minutes left, same amount of time that I would have for the SAFE MLO test. I'm going to pick an answer that I like. In this case, I like this one. And then I'm going to mark it for review. I want to create a little bit of a smaller pool of questions that I can go through after I've seen them all. And that's also something else that is works the same as the SAFE MLO test. So I'm going to hit submit, and I'm going to continue going through these questions. Once I get to the end, I can look at my score, both the total, my category, a lot of options there. I'm going to leave the test in the middle of it, so I'm not going to get any credit for that. And now I'm going to go over to the dashboard. Under here we have simulated test results. This shows every simulated test result that you have, right? Total and by section. If you hit back again, there's a leaderboard which shows how everybody's been doing. And then as we go back here, achievements, as you get through different numbers of questions, as you get through numbers of flashcards, you will get a little on-screen achievement reward. Change password, challenges. After you take the test, you could challenge another user. If so, it's going to keep track of that and see who can get the higher score. The course manual is also included, which works much better on tablets. As you can imagine, it doesn't really help us much on the phone, but on a tablet, it gives you access to the manual anywhere, anytime. As you go down the screen, you'll see next up, test internet speed. And when you do this, it's going to test your connection speed. So if you feel like a delay in the videos, or you feel like you're not sure how good your connection is, you can check it right from inside here. And you can see mine's pretty good. If you go back to the front, I'll also show you one more thing, and this is Ask the Instructor. When you hit that, you can hit the on-screen email address. It's going to queue up your email software and send a message, any questions that you have, to a trainer at Deal. Now, do allow 24 to 48 hours business time in order to get a return response. Right now, it's happening much quicker, just FYI. So after you send that, you're right back in the app. You can continue prepping. So that's a little bit about how it works. Do give it a shot. Let us know how we can help, and good luck with it as you prepare to pass the SAFE MLO test.